Hey everybody, how's it going today? My name is John and I'm your crypto security advisor. So today is, well, it's not necessarily Monday, but once a week, every week, I do a video on technical analysis, and so let's get into it today. So if you haven't been following along, I highly suggest that you start at the beginning. I have a playlist for technical analysis, and it starts you off at the very beginning of our technical analysis and how we actually do just the basics of technical analysis on this coin called THOR. So let's get into it here. So if I zoom out here, just recall, I didn't change a thing from last time. So just recall that we have the Fibonacci levels and we have the moving averages as these squiggly lines. There's 3 of them. And we also have this trend line here that we drew. And so last week, I believe we were just passing this trend line. And funny enough, if we want to look at this, let's just go like this, make it a bit bigger. Maybe too big. There we go. So we can see we passed the trend line. The trend line was actually going up. And I believe I said I wouldn't be surprised if we touched this moving average line. And look at that. We actually did. However, it seemed to have a bit of resistance there, and so it came down back to this Fibonacci sequence level, and it seems like over the last 1 or 2 days we came back to the I believe this is a 20-day moving average. Correct me if I'm wrong, do your own research, right? But yeah, so if I take, let's see, let's extend this fib line here, go back out a bit more for our analysis, and we'll keep the Bollinger Bands or the moving averages on. So these are these squiggly lines. And actually, we will change our trend line here. So we broke this trend line now. We have another trend, it seems, right there. And we could either go to the top of the wicks, or we can just keep it as is. It seems to be good so far. So as we can see, if we go along for the next couple days, we still have that triangle. So the triangle, anytime you see a triangle, you can either break up to the upside or you can fall to the downside. And usually you crab in between the triangle until the very peak, and then that's when that move happens. And so it looks like we can go both ways. There seems to be a lot of resistance at this almost 20-cent level, it seems. However, if we take a look at the macro or the bigger picture, today is September 20th, 2023, and so we had the Fed meeting, the FOMC meeting today, and we are not, the Fed has decided that they are not going to increase rates. And so I would suspect, because of that, that price action will go up in general over crypto in the next week or two. However, with everything crypto, right, things can tank really fast and we can get FUD or fear, uncertainty, and doubt enter into the news cycles. So just taking a look at that. And so that is all for THOR. And THOR, if you don't know THOR or THOR chain, you can just do a little Google search and just type THOR chain and find the official website and do your own research, right? I did, and it seems to be a really interesting project. Essentially, it's a DEX, decentralized exchange. However, it connects to all these different blockchains. So in a sense, it's also, you can switch between Ethereum and Phantom, just like that. You can switch between Ethereum, or I believe Arbitrum's on there now. So you can do all that sort of stuff on THOR chain. I haven't taken a look at what updates there are yet in the past week or so, but I will be doing that shortly in the next day or so, just diving in once again. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I hope this was useful, and I will see you in the next one. Take care.